Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, it's cold. I'm cold. I know a lot of you folks are in much colder circumstances than I am, but I am definitely not used to this kind of weather. Anyway, you'll forgive the sound of heaters going out here. I got a new kitty cat, as you may have seen, and I've got him out here in the garage with a couple of heaters running because it's supposed to get below freezing, and I don't want him to freeze. So in any case, it's time to work on another video. I've been very busy, but I've been watching all these great tool tote videos, and then also Scoutcrafter inspired me with his screwdriver video the other day. This is something I've been wanting to work on for a while. It's really heavy. It's a great screwdriver. It's got a square shaft, and it looks like, I don't know the terminology, but I'm going to say it's full tang. It's got the striking spot right here on the end, and I think I want to clean it up. So without further ado, let's do. Well, that was fun. You know, it shouldn't have taken this long. Actually, in the midst of working on it, we had a power outage. I guess you've heard about the power outages in Texas. Well, we had a 30-hour power outage here at the house, so I got paused a little bit. But that's okay. It's really cold, and it's difficult for this paint to dry when it's cold, so the extra time was good. Anyway, I think it turned out pretty good, and I'm happy with it, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you next time.